Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to withdraw money from Wirex to bank account. So simply log into your Wirex account, click on the send button and select the pay option. Choose a relevant currency account, Euro or GBP in Europe, USD in the US, and then select bank transfer, and from there you'll have to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and the recipient details for the transfer. So basically your bank details. Now, if you want, there is another way that you can withdraw money from Wirex, which is ATM withdrawal. So basically, you can withdraw cash from any ATM worldwide that accepts Visa or MasterCard, and the maximum amount you can withdraw for free basically is 200 euros amount, after which a small fee of 2% will be applied. So basically, if you want, you can use the Wirex card, and basically you can withdraw money without any fees up to 200 euros and then a 2% fee. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.